Good morning, Belvidere. Hope all are safe and sound this morning. Beautiful morning, isn't it? It's a pleasure to have Amanda Mehl from the Health Department with me this morning, and she's going to catch us up a little bit. As you know, Amanda has graced us with her presence to share some things along the way, and it's been a couple of weeks, so we want to get a little bit caught up. But here we go. Amanda, floor is yours.
Great. Thank you so much, Mayor Chamberlain. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, City of Belvidere and Boone County. I'm Amanda Mehl. I'm the Public Health Administrator with the Boone County Health Department. It's a pleasure to be here with you today. It's May 29th, and I do want to make sure that the public is aware that today is the day that we begin our official transition into Phase 3 of our 5 phases of Restore Illinois. So we just want to welcome some of our businesses, back to opening in a very safe and sound way as much as we possibly can, and reiterate the message that we're here to support and assist our businesses with their reopening strategy. Very excited to be working with Growth Dimensions and the Belvidere Chamber on our Forward Boone initiative, which is assisting our local businesses with those safe reopening strategies. I would definitely remind everybody that staying home as much as possible is still our recommendation. We know that many more businesses and areas are opening up, but we are not finished dealing with this virus yet. We do anticipate that we will be living with it for the foreseeable future. It's important for us to keep ourselves safe and those around us. So we want to go out really only, limited times as much as we possibly can. Wearing a face mask like I am today is what is continuing to be recommended, not only when you go to the grocery store and the gas station, but if you go to get your hair cut or if you go to buy some furniture or do some additional things that were not allowed before that are now going to begin to reopen and be allowed again. Please remember to carry hand sanitizer with you. Wash your hands thoroughly as much as you possibly can throughout the day. Make sure that you're checking the health department and the city and the county website for current updates and information. And remember that we want to continue to work on our COVID-19 efforts together as a community. I think that we can build a stronger community if we continue to work together to combat this virus.
Thank you, Amanda. And again, I want to commend the work that you and your team have done. It's exhausting, I know. And I want to make a comment here. We're doing everything we can to get as normal as we can possibly be, but the COVID virus is still very much here. It's still very dangerous and still can have very negative effects on our community as a whole. So I would just ask you, please follow the rules. If you follow the rules, we'll be able to continue to do some things to have more normal days and nights than we have been able to. But I will tell you this, if we start seeing upward trends in infection, we're going to have to go back and redo this thing. And I will tell you the second time around, I don't know if we'll recover from it. So enjoy the new freedoms, wear a mask, as Amanda says, wash your hands, take care of the elder folks in your family and understand they're at a higher risk. I know, being a senior citizen myself, I'm a kind of an independent thinker, and we have noticed that a lot of our senior community are independent thinkers about whether they want to wear a mask or do whatever. Please work with them on that, as I'm being worked with on that. It takes all of us to face an enemy of this magnitude, and I have been just as pleased as punch with how people have been willing to work together. This reopening and the Forward Boone initiative and everybody trying to be considerate of one another and set aside any differences they might have for the greater good of the community. It's been phenomenal. And I want to again thank Amanda and her team at the Health Department. I want to thank everybody who's been on the front lines of this thing for their contribution, because it has been exhausting for everyone. So keep a good thought, enjoy this weekend, try to behave yourselves, and do the right thing when it comes to masks and social distancing. That's all I've got. Amanda, did you have anything else you wanted to add today?
I don't think so, Mr.
Well,
Thank you.
Thanks for taking the time out of your day to come by. God bless you all, and have a safe weekend. Bye for now.